Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson DC19 model. Before starting, make sure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. First, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, locate the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Now, locate the screws holding the motor in place. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Use your spanner to carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep them in a safe location. If you encounter any resistance, check for any additional clips or screws that may be holding the motor in place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You will need to disconnect these before fully removing the motor. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you assess the situation and provide guidance if needed. Now, with the old motor removed, it's time to prepare for the new installation. Take your new motor and connect the wires as per your earlier observations. Ensure that the connections are secure to avoid any issues once the vacuum is reassembled. Next, carefully place the new motor into the housing, aligning it with the screw holes. Once it's seated properly, replace the screws to secure the motor in place. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the motor or housing. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the top cover. Align it with the clips and gently press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Again, ensure they are tightened properly. Before you finish, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior of the vacuum. This will help maintain its performance and longevity. If you need assistance with this, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until it clicks into place. Plug in your Dyson DC19 and test the vacuum to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our service is designed to be convenient, with no calls and no travel required on your part. You can enjoy a hassle-free experience while ensuring your vacuum is in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.